Hello guys, welcome back with another episode of immigration form. So today form is the I-485. That form is application to register permanent residence or adjust status. So you can use the form I-485 where you decide to obtain the permanent residence status in the United States after you move to country. Form I-485 is known as the application to register permanent residence or adjust status, or simply it is an adjustment of application. US Citizen and Immigration Services provide this form so you can avoid the consular processing. Because of consular processing, you would have to return to the country, obtain your visa. But with form I-485, it is much similar to get the green card with adjustment of status is used instead of consular processing. Now we can discuss about the instruction of form I-485. USCIS specific that not every immigrant in the US is eligible or to adjust their status. One of the main eligibility requirement is that you must be located on the US territory. But there are many more tips on how to fill out form I-485 as explained in this video. We determine you are a principal applicants or a derivative applicants. Gather your evidence and file your application with it. Provide all the requested information. Now we can discuss about the basic instructions. If you file the adjustment application on your own, then you are a principal applicant, and if you are a spouse or a children of a person who filed form I-485, then you are a derivative applicant. You must check the appropriate checkbox on your application form on part 2 to notify that you are a principal or derivative applicant. You need to provide a birth or marriage certificate, any kind of record from your school or church, or at least 2 affidavits from the trusted people to support your request. If you attempt to file form N-485 without any supporting evidence, USCIS will reject your application. Now we can discuss about as you with any other you file your USCIS filing to provide all the data that the US government won't be lead to the one result. That is, USCIS will reject your application. One more point is worth nothing. USCIS does not require you to file form G324A and send it with form I-485 anymore. Instead, just fill out the part 1 and 3 in your form I-485 application. Now we can discuss about the filing fee of form I-485. The filing fee for form I-485 varies depending on how old you are. USCIS may also require you to pay the biometric service fee, that is $85. $1,114 for adults. Also, you are a 13 year of age and younger, and you are going to file form I-485 without any your parents form I-485, you must pay $1,114 because USCIS consider you as a principal applicant. $750 for children. You do not need to pay the biometric fee in these two cases. However, if you are older than 13 and younger than 79, you will have to pay $85 for biometric services. If you want to take the complete paragraph of the USCIS total biometric fee, form fee, and other information, you can visit the USCIS official websites. Now we can discuss about the processing times. USCIS does it best in order to reduce the processing time for different forms. Currently, the US government changed the processing procedure for 4 forms: N-400, I-19, I-485, and I-751. However, it can still take several months, typically between 6 and 12 months before you consider adjustment will be proceeded. To ensure that USCIS will process your application as fast as possible, you should provide all the required documents as avoid leaving the country after you fill your form I-485. Now we can discuss where to send your form I-485. USCIS required that form I-485 applicants file their adjustment application to different address depending on their eligibility category. You can take the address from the USCIS official websites. You can download the PDF of the form I-485 from the USCIS official website. Just download it and fill the form. If you need any help for related to this form, you can comment on the video, and I also mention and paste the link on the description. You can download this form from there. So I hope this information will help you to fill the form, and make sure you have signed all the documents correctly, so that USCIS otherwise USCIS reject your form. So like the video, share the video, and subscribe the channel.